Hello students, today we will discuss about the evolution of Earth. In the previous lecture we have understood that the origin of Earth, that is how our Earth has been formed. Various scientists and researchers has given their theories and hypotheses related to the origin of our solar system. But the nebular hypothesis is the most accepted hypothesis till date for the origin of solar system. So, according to this hypothesis, that is nebula hypothesis, our Earth has been formed from the Sun. It has formed around 4.6 billion years ago. In the initial stage, this is the initial stage of the Earth. In the initial stage, it was hot in state. This state is known as volatile state. It means barren, rocky and hot object. Why? Because it has been formed from the Sun only. As the Earth was forming, its density started to increase. Density started to increase and it leads to the temperature of the interior of the Earth also increase. Density is also increasing and the Earth's inside temperature was also increasing. Then the material started to separate according to their density. Density was started to increasing, temperature also increasing, and there was a collision, and this lead to the differentiation process. What is the differentiation process? It means the separation of materials according to the density of the material. Okay. So, due to this differentiation, the heavier metals started to sink towards the core of the Earth or the center of the Earth. These are heavier materials are like iron, nickel. These started to sink towards the core of the Earth, and the lighter materials started to move in the surface of the Earth. Lighter materials like silica, aluminium, oxygen, these are lighter materials. They started to come near the surface of the Earth. Okay. So, we can say that in the crust the density of the material is low, and in the core the density of the material is high. As the time was passing, the Earth started to cool down because it was hot in stage, this is volatile stage, but after time was passing it started to cool down, and due to cooling down it started to solidify from the volatile state. It started to solidify and the size become shrinked. মানে কি starting এটা ছিল volatile stage, then it started to sink and the size becomes smaller. After that, all this process, the Earth has been formed in the layering stage. Like there are 3 layers of the Earth. The first layer or the outermost layer is known as crust. After that, we can see the mantle, and this is core. The core is also divided into 2 parts. This interior part is known as inner core. This is inner core. This one is outer core. Outer core. This is upper mantle. This stage. This is upper mantle. This is upper mantle, and this one is lower mantle. Lower mantle. This is upper mantle. Upper mantle. So we can see there are 3 main layers: crust, mantle, and core. Crust is the outermost layer. Mantle is the middle part, and it is divided into upper mantle and lower mantle, and core is also divided into 2 parts: inner core and outer core. Okay. So, in the next lecture we will discuss about the evolution of atmosphere and hydrosphere. Till then, Take care and study well. Thank you.